Let's take a look at searching the Creative Commons website. I go to creativecommons.org and it brings this up. Creative Commons are the folks that manage the kind of licensing of creative materials. It's a good idea if you're working with students especially, but in any project you might be working on, if you're using images from out there in the world, by now we know you can't just take any old image you want and stick it into anything you want and have it be yours. There are appropriately licensed images that you can do that with, and the Creative Commons website is a place to start to find them. From the main page of Creative Commons, there are plenty of materials here that explain how these different licenses work. If you're a creative person and you want to make your works available to people, you can certainly go here and learn about how to do that. For our purposes in this assignment, what we want to do is just learn how to find these types of materials and how we can use them and use them without incurring any sort of legal risk. I'm going to go to Explore and then down here to Find Creative Commons Licensed Works. That's actually really hard to say. So I click here. The Creative Commons really isn't a search engine itself. It really launches searches in all these other search engines and websites. I have my search term in here, puppy. I indicate that I want to be able to get a puppy picture to use for commercial purposes. And also I would like to modify, adapt, or build upon this puppy picture. Down below, I choose which of the search engines or websites I want to use. So I'm just going to click Flickr, and it launches the search for me. There I have my various adorable pictures of puppies, and you can see here they show that this is a Creative Commons license, etc., and where they searched for it. I'm going to select this puppy picture because he's a very urbane looking pup. When I scroll down on the picture page itself, I can see the name of the person who took the image, also called the photographer. I can see information about the camera that was used and so forth. Here's the important thing over here, the actual license that's attributed to this picture. I click on that. I just want to open it up and take a look at what my rights are to use this film, to use this image. I can share, copy, redistribute it in any medium or format. I can adapt it, etc. And then next, under these terms, attribution and share alike. So if I do use this in something public, I need to give credit to the photographer. Also, if I do redistribute this, I need to redistribute it under a similar license. So this is kind of an important page for each image that you might be interested in using. Just to show you some other parts of the screen here, down below the image there's the rest of this particular collection by this photographer. Over here I have the little star that lets me fave this photo. I guess we don't say favorite anymore. Um, we can share the photo, send it to whoever you want. I usually send these to my sister-in-law. And finally, we can download this image, and I'll click that because you have some options when you download. You can download it at any of the different sizes that are available here. The original size all the way down to kind of the small, passport-sized puppy pic. In any case, that's where you would go to download it to your computer and use it in your various creations. Again, thanks a lot. Please try this, experiment with it. This is a really useful tool. And the more we can use this, particularly with young students, get them used to the idea of the Creative Commons license, the happier we'll all be, I'm sure. Thanks a lot.